at least you should get a look for the area I demonstrate. That's right. Our target here with me to check 3 group of muscles. That's right. First group is the muscles connecting bones of the upper limb. What I mean by upper limb bones? Clavicle, scapula, and the upper end of the humerus, with the axial bones like skull, like vertebral column. That's right. Second group are specific muscles for the scapula itself. They are named scapular muscles. That's right. The third group is the muscle of the back of the arm, which is actually the triceps. The first group are 5 muscles arranged in 2 layers. First layer are large 2 muscles like this. One above, covering the back of the neck. That's right. And this is named trapezius. Major part of it is excised and removed, and this is the remnants or the remnants of this muscle. You see, this is named trapezius. That's right. The second one filling this area. That's right. And major part of it is excised, and this is the remnant. It is named latissimus dorsi. That's right. So again, trapezius and latissimus dorsi. After removal of these major parts of both muscles, the second layer appear for you. In sequence from up down, we have levator scapular muscle. You see?
Rhomboid mirror.
This is levator scapular muscle. That's right. Followed by 2 rhomboidal shaped muscles, one above the other. So this is rhomboidus minor, and this is rhomboidus major. Major part of it is excised. That's right. Levator scapular, rhomboidus minor, rhomboidus major. Yes, in sequence from up down. I will
هي لما
shift for
نشيل الترابيزيوس.
after removal of the first layer as I mentioned. أنا قلت كده بعد ما بشيل الترابيزيوس بتظهر لك السكند layer.
اوكي.
That's right, which are totally attached to the medial border of the scapula. Opposite the superior angle, levator scapulae. Opposite the spine is the rhomboidus minor. Below the level of the spine till the angle of the scapula is the rhomboidus major muscle. I will shift now for the second group, which are individual muscles of the scapula. They are 6 in number. 2, 2, 1, 1. The first one is in relation to the spine of the scapula. This white line represents the spine of the scapula. So one housing the fossa above it is named supraspinatus. You see? By the way, it is covered by what? Trapezius. Second one below the level of the spine and is named infraspinatus. The second twin located on the lateral border of the scapula, and both are named teres. One above teres minor, one below teres major muscle. One filling the subscapular fossa seen from the front is named subscapularis, and the last one covering the shoulder region and triangular in shape is named deltoid muscle. That's right. Last group is the back of the arm, which is the matter of the triceps. But actually, only 2 heads are seen. We have long head, we have lateral head of triceps. That's right. Where is medial head? Hidden underneath the other 2. That's right. And then, as we see, long head of the triceps, to reach the infraglenoid tubercle, it should run between 2 teres muscles. Who is above? Which is above? Teres minor. Which is below? Teres major. And from this way, we have spaces in between these muscles. These are named intermuscular spaces. This space is named quadrangular. And through the quadrangular space, we have an artery running in this area, which is named posterior circumflex humeral vessels, with a nerve is named axillary nerve. Through this upper triangular space, we have circumflex scapular artery is running. Through the lower triangular space, we have radian nerve is running. That's right. To simplify, what happens in these spaces, consider this finger as humerus. This figure or this finger is long head of triceps. And the other 2 fingers are teres minor, teres major. So insinuate the long head of triceps in between the 2 teres muscles, like this. That's right. So this is the long head or this is the humerus. So we have how many spaces? 3. Quadrangular, triangle A, and triangle B. That's right. So again, guess or check yourself. What this structure? Teres minor or teres major?
Major.
If it is major, it is excellent. That's right. Some consider it minor. Never minor. If it is minor, so this is major. Okay? So where is long head of triceps in between? So this is teres minor, this is teres major, and in between we have long head of triceps. So the one which has free end is latissimus dorsi. If you catch the latissimus dorsi away from the trunk, you can check this nerve and artery supplying it. This nerve is named nerve to latissimus, or sometimes described as thoracodorsal nerve. That's right, which comes from the brachial plexus.
Okay.
And this artery is a branch from the axillary artery. It is named subscapular artery. That's right.
Artery.
So check what we see before. حاولوا انكم انتوا ايه تمرنوا نفسيكم وتتعودوا على ملمس وشغل العضلات، لان دي كاديفر حقيقي على فكره يا جماعه وغاليه جدا. خلاص كده اسمها بلاستينيتد كاديفرز.